Well, we are happy to have News 8 meteorologist Michelle Podell joining us on the show today with another one of those questions that you've sent in to ask her. What do you have today?
Well, my question today comes from Anthony via Facebook, and he had an observation this weekend, and I actually had this observation as well. That's why I chose this question. He says, this weekend I saw a haze or a light fog in the air, especially near the bluffs and marshes in La Crosse. What caused this? And as I said, I saw this too. I was hiking on Sunday, and I noticed this. It was in the afternoon. The sun was shining. Not usually the time where you do see this fog. So this is what I think happened. I think it was something called advection fog. Now we do have some colder surfaces across the region. It could be just that little bit of snow cover that we have. Also some lakes and rivers across the region are frozen or do have some ice on them, and that would make sense since he saw it by the marshes. What happened was where temperatures this weekend were well above freezing. They were in the 40s, especially here in La Crosse, both Saturday and Sunday. We even got really close to 50 degrees on Saturday. And on top of that, we had some sunshine. So that caused the area or the air by the surface to warm up. Well, that warm air moves over that colder surface. That causes that colder surface, that ice, that snow cover to melt a little bit. That air evaporates and it goes up into the air by the surface. It'll cool that air down to the dew point, and that is when that fog forms. So it's called advection fog, and it was very light. It was just like a very a light haze or a light fog across the region, and that's how it forms. So anytime where you get those very cold surfaces, it can happen throughout the winter time or even in the spring when that water is even colder than the air temperatures and the winds are very light, you will get that advection fog forming. So that's what I think happened this weekend.
Interesting.
With that fog.
Very interesting. Well, if you have a question you would like to ask Michelle.
Well, you can find me on Twitter. I'm at News 8 Michelle. Otherwise, you can do like Anthony did. Find me on Facebook, News 8 This Morning, our Storm Team 8 weather page, or you can find my page, WKBT Michelle Podell.
All right, Michelle, thank you very much. We're going to take a break. We've got our mugshot of the day just ahead.